Have you left a seat for me? Is that such a stretch of the imagination? Was held in chains, but now I'm free. I'm hanging in